Okay, I have 100 feet extension cord, so it's kind of long for me, plus it get tangled all the time. So what I'm doing right now, show you how to cut it in half and put some insert plug-in. Okay folks, so this is 100 feet extension cord. You see how long? So by using this, I'm gonna cut it. It's already cut. Okay. You see? Feet is too much. Or if you want 25 feet, you can do that also. But for my 100 feet, I'm gonna cut it into 50 feet, or 25 feet. If you need longer, all you have to do is connect each other with the plug-in. I bought this from Home Depot. So with the screw on it, I already unscrew it. So maybe. And you just all you go is unscrew it. Keep that on the side. Open them up. See the difference? This white silver, if you see, you just look like this, you don't notice those between the two screws. There's a white silver and there's bronze, so it's darker. This white silver means that's the neutral white wire. This one, that's the hot one, the black one. And of course, this is the grounds. You look closely, there's a black, white, and a green. Okay, it's a green inside, black, and the white. White, it goes to the silver. If you notice this, black, it goes to the bronze. See? If you don't take a look at good, you don't see the difference. When you do like this, oh, there's two screws, but it's not. There's a silver and there's a bronze. And of course, that's gonna be the ground, which is this one. You see, the white, silver, this is always long, I mean wider compared to the hot one. So we do, I go like this. Because if I use this, you don't want to cut the wire inside, and it's gonna be a problem later. Here's the wire cutter. So this is number 14 gauge. Okay, come close. Has to do green first. There's a slot in here. You see this big slot? Big space? That's where we're gonna put it. There you go. Now let's do the white one. See the slot? Just insert that. See, white is silver. Insert that. Now let's do the green one. Let's do the black one, I should say. Make sure there's no copper coming out. Make sure you insert this all the way. Double check: green, white, silver, black, bronze wire. Let's close it. Go. Okay, now I get the screw back together. As you can see, it's tight. Okay, very neat. Let's see if this thing works. Let's see. Okay, if you have one like this to test if it's in the right wiring. Yep, it's two warm. Two yellow means two yellow, correct. So it's working again. There you go. Working. So I'm gonna try charge these flashlights that I have. See which one. Okay. Yep, it's working. Red. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Mahalo. Salamat.